At 20 cents, CHZ is pretty much up against competition, which is a huge amount. In spite of what most people think, CHZ has gone down by about 0.63 in the last 24 hours. The pair CHZ/USD is moving below the EMA 20, which is a very important sign. Chiliz picked negative energy in a way that didn't stand out at all during the rest of the week. July 20th, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Chiliz will cost right now or a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about facts that really matter. The short-term cost estimate for Chiliz is CHZ, a very smart plan that is important in every way that counts. Chiliz support and opposition levels, for example, show that CHZ usually runs into a lot of resistance at 20 cents. However, before we get too deep into the technical analysis of CHZ, let's talk about the really big economic situation right now. Analysis of the market over the last 24 hours showed a loss of 1.84, bringing the total value of the digital money market to $1,090, 985, 483, 4416, or so they thought. The total trading volume, however, has mostly stayed at $31, 315, 169, 8449, which is still a lot. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. XRP. The local currency of XRP Trolley is up by 0.1 and is currently trading at 47 cents. Moreover, Coco's BCX fell in value by 0.77, which shows that the market analysis over the last 24 hours was a loss of 1.84, bringing the total value of the digital currency market to $1,190,985,483. These events clearly show that the market is going down right now, since the total trading volume is still at $31.315.169.849, or so they thought. A bad drop can be seen all over the crypto market, which shows what really caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $3,584.92. Chiliz support and resistance are important technical indicators that are used to clearly identify key price levels where the trend can change. Wild attributing this blog BNB traded at 246.58 after a price change of 0.42 in the same time period. In a quiet way. Support in every way that matters is a level at which buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling any further, which is usually a big deal. Similarly, resistance is a level at which merchants usually become more cautious. CHZ. The cost of Chiliz was paid by Chiliz. CHZ is currently trading at 0.078, which is 0.63 less than it was 24 hours ago. Its value has changed by 1.74 over the past week, and its one-day trading volume for BTC is 22,676,854.00 US dollars, while its total market cap is 545,617,493 US dollars, which shows how July 20th, 2023 will be. In this video, we'll walk you through the Chiliz cost exam for today or next week, and we'll really try to answer these questions. Often got clear answers on important issues that needed them. How much do you think Chiliz will cost in the short term? The most likely price for Chiliz right now is CHZ. There are about 7,039, 695,858 available for use out of 8,888, which is very important. Chiliz worth broken down in a normal amount of time. The price of CHZ on July 20th, 2023, is usually made sense of by looking at how it will be on July 20th, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through the price of Chiliz for now or for the next week and try to answer some of the questions that people often ask about facts. What is the real short-term price forecast for Chiliz? CHZ is a smart investment, despite what most people think. We use the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and different levels of support and opposition, MACD, as well as different moving midpoints for different lengths of time, such as a very basic moving average, SMA, and an outstanding moving average, EMA. 2. In a real sense, break down how the CHZ/USD pair will change in the future, especially how it will change under EMA 20, which is a very important indicator. The relative strength file, RSI, for CHZ coin is currently floating at 28 for 14 days in every practical sense normal line, which means CHZ is in an oversold zone and a pattern-by-pattern inversion is possible, which is a big deal. Chiliz has broken all of its support levels, and things don't look good for the crypto market as a whole, showing that the Trident TRX isn't doing well. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross. This happened at the same point in the previous cycle as the price moved today. This caused the area high for that year to be close to $14,000. The COVID-19 cross-market crash in March 2020 briefly broke the cross. Titan of Crypto calls this event a black swan. Imagine being bearish about Bitcoin above $28,600, said a trader. Another trend line to watch is the 20-month SMA, which looks at longer time frames. Mustache points out that this has happened before every Bitcoin bull market. When a monthly candle closes above the 20-month SMA, every candle that follows closes above it until the cycle high. Here, too, March 2020 is a short-term exception to the rule. Imagine being bearish while $BTC stays above the 20-day simple